Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is April 28th, 2019, and I'm going to be planting some heirloom sweet pea America seeds today out in the greenhouse. So I have my cell packs already filled with the soil, and normally I do use seed starting mix, but there are some plants that I have found I can grow in just regular Miracle-Gro without an issue or a problem, so that's what I'm actually going to be using today here. So this is what sweet pea seeds look like. Now these are ornamental, they are not edible, and it's a beautiful like red with white striped and splashed flowers. And sweet peas don't really need, they don't need it too hot to germinate. They like cooler soil for germination. So I put these in the unheated part of the greenhouse. Half the greenhouse is heated, the other half isn't, but we do run a fan in here. And in previous years, I tried growing these outside. I could never get them to germinate outside for me. So I started growing them then, starting them indoors. And I actually already have some that are growing in here that are just starting to come up, so I will show them to you. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking the seeds and I'm just pushing them into the soil. And I already do have my label in here, and I'll have links down in the description for the label that I use. Oh. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to take my spray bottle here, just plain water, and spray over the top of these. And I did have my seeds, I keep my seeds in the refrigerator in Ziploc bags, and that helps them to germinate faster for me, because it already gives them that cool chill, and then once they get into the warm soil and the warm air, it helps them to come up faster. I'm just going to gently cover these here. I'm not putting too much of a covering, just kind of like a light covering over them. And I'm firming the soil down over the tops of the seeds. Just going to take my spray bottle here and mist over the top. And I will show you the ones that I have coming up right now. So we'll be right back. So these are the ones that I just planted. And these are my America sweet peas that are just starting to come up here. And you can see them just starting to come through the soil. And over here. Now these were started April the 17th. And they started coming up for me April the 25th, they started germinating for me. You can see there's one there just starting to come through the soil. And I love the fragrance of sweet peas. I have grown the Old Spice mix already, and I really enjoyed that one. I don't know yet. I might plant that one this year. That's another heirloom variety. If you've never tried the America sweet pea, ornamental sweet peas, I highly recommend them. They're beautiful plants. They love to climb and trail, and they're just really pretty. Keep taking the spent blossoms off of your sweet pea plants. They will keep blooming. So I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in zone 5B, and I did have these last. They bloomed through the summer, the spring, summer, and fall time, and I kept taking the spent blossoms off. Now, if you live in a warmer area, I'm not sure how they would do, but for where I'm growing mine at, they do very well for me. So that's how I start ornamental sweet peas from seed. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.